Alright, high five!
Welcome back to Collector's Conquest. Got some brand new Sonic 3, the movie toys. Let's take a closer look. Check it out. Got this awesome Sonic 3, the movie display here. Jam-packed full of brand new toys. It's got awesome artwork on the sides here. Super cool. Sonic 3 logo. Check it out. Man, this thing is awesome. Let's check out some of these toys. This one here, we got Ultimate Talking Sonic.
I gotta go fast.
Pretty cool. 30 plus sounds. Let's check them out here. Awesome looking figure. Pretty cool lights and sounds. Says Sonic is on a roll. Saved the world twice, but who's counting? And has two besties for his team. But will they be enough to handle a devastating new threat? Pretty dang cool. Check them out. Sonic 3 Deluxe Plush. Pretty cool Sonic the Hedgehog. Check it out. Deluxe Plush. Awesome artwork on these. We got Shadow plush here. Check that out. Shadow Deluxe plush. Super cool. Check that thing out. We also got this set here with a bunch of miniature figures. Got Shadow, Sonic the Hedgehog, Knuckles, and then some bots down there. The movie collection, Sonic 3. So that's the Buzz Bomber there. And the drone. Super cool. Also got some figures here. Sonic the Hedgehog. Love the detail on these figures. They look just like the movie. Pretty cool. Sonic 3 says Sonic is on a roll, saved the world twice, but who's counting? And has two besties for his team, but will they be enough to handle a devastating new threat? 22 points of articulation. Super cool. Check this out. We got Shadow the Hedgehog. Super cool. I'm so excited. Shadow's in the movie. Check him out. It says Shadow is a fierce and mysterious foe who is determined to accomplish his goals and won't let anything stand in his way. Pretty awesome. 22 points of articulation. Also got Tails in here. Check it out. Tails. Miles per hour. Pretty cool. He's got the double tails back there. Says Tails is Sonic's best bud, using his brains, tons of gadgets, and of course his two tails. He will do everything he can for his friends. 20 points of articulation on this one. Check it out. Got this Sonic 3, the movie, inflatable costume. How awesome is that? That thing looks so cool. Imagine like running down the street in that thing, and you could be holding your ring here. Got the golden ring here for the costume. Pretty awesome. Also got these child costumes here. Got Sonic right here for the Sonic 3 movie. Pretty cool. Also got Shadow the Hedgehog here. Pretty awesome. Check these out. See if you can find them. so awesome finding Sonic the Hedgehog 3 movie toys at Target. Super cool. This is Collector's Conquest. Got tons of videos. Check the playlist. Find a franchise or subject you're into. Have some fun watching some videos. Please like and subscribe. Also check out the channel membership. Put out an awesome exclusive members only video once a week. You also get early access to most of my videos, and you get your name after the video, just like this.
Join Collectors Conquest membership. Exclusive, don't want to miss. Check out Mama J. She's got so much stuff to say. Unboxing crazy things. Rock and roll is what she brings. Check out Mary Poppins Pops. The straight up shows all the Funko drops. Mystery boxes don't stand a chance. Woof woof is what straight up motions. Check out frogpopfanatic. Every new Ninja Turtle makes him ecstatic. Puppet Master and Killer Clones, handmade by robots. He's always hunting down. Check out two boys and the scary pops. On Saturday scares, you might face a cyclops. Ghostface flashes through horror toys. By the time you're done watching, you might see white noise. Check out B-Man YouTube channel. His superhero toys always win the battle. The DVDs and video games are so cool. If you're into awesome stuff, this guy rules, yeah! Natalie D's got a heart of gold. Supporting my channel, breaking the mold. Top collection grows, brothers untold. She's a force to behold. Dino Sarah, she's a beast in the pack. She runs with the mic, never looking back. Never takes a breath, T-Rex attack. Taking opens on us, that's a fact. That's a fact. Join Collector's Conquest, channel membership. So many exclusives, you don't want to miss.
Hey, it's Collector's Conquest. Have you ever wanted to help support the channel? Well, you can now. We have some new donation options. If you donate $5 or more, you'll get the exclusive 80s hologram sticker and the pretty dang cool pin. Check that thing out. That's pretty dang cool. And also you'll get whatever free swag we already have. We got stickers. We got some buttons that you get when you win giveaways. All that just for $5. We'll send it out to you for free. Check the links below. We got a Venmo and Cash App only. And if you want to help out even more, consider donating $30 or more, and you'll get this free Collector's Conquest t-shirt. We also have a couple other designs, so contact me on Instagram or email me to see those designs. But I appreciate everyone watching my videos. Check the links below. And at the $30 t-shirt level, you also get all that other swag in the $5 level.